Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're tracking Molly Qerim, the sports TV host who anchored the intense debate show First Take for nearly a decade. You might be wondering, where is she now? Let's dive in. Molly Qerim was born the 31st of March 1984 in New Haven, Connecticut. She built her career as a sports broadcaster, joining ESPN in 2006, and went on to host major shows like NFL Network's NFL AM and NFL Fantasy Live. In 2015, she became the permanent host of First Take, placing her at the center of some of sports media's most intense morning debates. In September 2025, Molly announced that she would be stepping away from First Take and leaving ESPN at year's end. Although ESPN offered her a contract extension, she chose not to accept it and described the decision as closing an incredible chapter. Shortly afterwards, she was noticeably absent from the First Take desk, and the network confirmed plans to step in new talent and restructure the show. Where is Molly Qerim now? As of late now, Molly Qerim is no longer hosting First Take and is in the process of transitioning out of her long-term role at ESPN. While she has not publicly confirmed her next career move, the signals suggest she may pursue new opportunities beyond daily cable sports programming. She remains active on social media, where she acknowledged her departure and thanked colleagues and fans for nearly a decade of partnership. Molly Qerim's story reminds us how careers evolve. What began as a breakthrough in sports media has taken a turn toward new possibilities. Her departure from First Take closes a significant era, but it likely opens the door to a next chapter that reflects her growth and ambition. Thanks for watching Vim Survivors. If you found this update interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life stories on where they are now.